live in a neighborhood that is experiencing extreme gentrification. A lot of our families are being displaced, which really places a lot of instability on kids and the academic needs that those kids have. We have 4 family success coaches that are based at each of our target schools. They really are a connector for families to other resources in the community, and I would say even beyond that, a social support network. Family success coaches are extremely important in making sure that families are stable, that they have the resources that they need so that they can then focus on what their kids need. We're coming to the table in a different way because of Promise Neighborhoods, and so we have shared understanding of the results that we're looking to change. We have family success coaches at the schools, and they are the ones connecting the families to resources that they need, including support if they're being evicted or if they need help to find an apartment. We're connecting them with the resources to do that in the city. And so those family success coaches are extremely important in making sure that families are stable, that they have the resources that they need so that they can then focus on what their kids need. There's also systems that are being built because of Promise Neighborhoods where we're able to track families that are being served by many different providers in one place. This is an exciting way for us to be able to really look at evaluation, to really look at the progress that we're making, and to ask ourselves tough questions. How do we do better? We have big hopes for the future, that we can really stabilize economically our families so that they can then really spend their time and attention on their kids and what's going on inside the classroom and support them outside of the classroom around their academic achievement. Our hope is that every family succeeds and every child achieves.